How to fix Cash App failed for my protection. In order to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your App Store on your device. Once you're in here, in the search bar, search for Cash App. Move into this app. Right here, instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you're having this issue. If that's the case, tap on update and update your app. Once you've got the updated version, the next thing you want to do is move into the settings of your device. Inside settings, head over to general. Move into iPhone storage. Now in the search bar, search for Cash App. Then move into it. Now tap on offload app. Once again click on offload app. It will clear all of your cache and the storage of the application and make your application run smoothly. Once done, now the next thing you want to do is go back and head over to the settings of general. Scroll down and you'll see the option of VPN and device management. Move into it. Make sure that you are not connected to any of the VPN on your device. If so, you need to disable it. Once done, the next thing you want to do is move into your application Cash App, and then you have to confirm the payment method. Once the payment method has been confirmed, it will definitely fix the issue that you have been facing on Cash App, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.